The DJI Mini 5 Pro, the newest member of DJI's mini drone family, marks a major advancement in performance, features, and portability. Created for both hobbyists and professionals, this small but potent drone provides an enticing mix of cutting-edge capabilities and a user-friendly layout. One of the standout features of the Mini 5 Pro is its impressive camera system. Equipped with a 1.28-inch sensor and a wide aperture, the camera captures stunning images and videos with exceptional detail, low noise, and dynamic range. The drone also supports 4K video recording at 60 frames per second, ensuring smooth and fluid footage. Additionally, the Mini 5 Pro boasts a new focus track mode, which allows for intelligent subject tracking and framing, making it easier to capture dynamic shots. In terms of performance, the Mini 5 Pro excels in various aspects. It offers a longer flight time of up to 30 minutes, allowing for extended aerial adventures. The drone also features obstacle avoidance sensors on all sides, enhancing safety and reducing the risk of collisions. Furthermore, the Mini 5 Pro supports quick transfer, enabling fast and convenient data transfer to your smartphone or other devices. The Mini 5 Pro's compact and lightweight design makes it highly portable, making it easy to take with you on your travels or outdoor adventures. The drone folds down into a small package, fitting comfortably into a backpack or carry-on luggage. Despite its small size, the Mini 5 Pro does not compromise on performance or features, offering a powerful and versatile aerial photography and videography tool. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 5 Pro significantly advances the mini drone category. With its impressive camera system, advanced features, and compact design, it caters to both hobbyists and professionals seeking a high-quality and portable aerial photography and videography solution. The Mini 5 Pro is a remarkably compact and lightweight drone, designed for easy portability and convenience. Weighing only 249 grams, it effortlessly slips into a backpack or purse, making it the perfect companion for travel and spontaneous photography adventures. Its intuitive controls and user-friendly interface ensure that anyone, regardless of experience level, can quickly master the art of aerial photography and videography. At the core of the Mini 5 Pro lies a significantly enhanced camera system. Featuring a larger sensor than its predecessor, the Mini 4 Pro, this drone is capable of capturing breathtaking images and videos with extraordinary detail and dynamic range. The ability to record 4K video at a smooth 60 frames per second ensures that even the most action-packed scenes are captured with cinematic fluidity, providing a truly immersive viewing experience. Intelligent flight modes. To simplify the process of capturing professional quality content, the Mini 5 Pro offers a variety of intelligent flight modes. Active Track, for instance, allows the drone to follow a designated subject automatically, while Quick Shots and Master Shots provide pre-programmed flight paths for creative shots. These modes make it easy for users of all skill levels to produce impressive aerial footage. Obstacle avoidance and safety. Safety is a top priority for DJI, and the Mini 5 Pro incorporates advanced obstacle avoidance technology to minimize the risk of collisions. Multiple sensors work in conjunction to detect and avoid obstacles, ensuring a safer flying experience. Additionally, features like Return to Home and geofencing help prevent the drone from straying too far or entering restricted areas. Battery life and flight range. The Mini 5 Pro boasts a commendable battery life, allowing for extended flight times of up to 30 minutes. This ample duration provides ample opportunity to explore and capture breathtaking aerial footage. Furthermore, the drone's transmission range of 10 kilometers ensures reliable connectivity and control, even in remote locations. Compatibility and accessories. To enhance the overall user experience, the Mini 5 Pro is compatible with DJI's RC Pro remote controller. This high-performance controller offers precise control and a more immersive flying experience. Additionally, users can explore a range of accessories such as additional batteries, propellers, and carrying cases to customize their setup and cater to specific needs. Conclusion. The DJI Mini 5 Pro significantly advances the mini drone category. Its compact design, advanced camera system, intelligent flight modes, and safety features make it a compelling choice for hobbyists and professionals. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or just starting out, the Mini 5 Pro offers a versatile and enjoyable aerial photography and videography platform.